Hello student of class 8. Let's start a new chapter, force and friction. In this chapter we will deal very important question. What is force? What are the different kind of force? What are the effect of force? And also we'll discuss about the friction. What is the different types of friction? Rolling friction, static friction and static friction. And also we will come to know friction is sometimes helpful and sometimes also provide us some disadvantage. So what is force? Let's find out the answer. So before this chapter we have discussed many concepts about motion, time, and we found that motion and time are related. When time will go on, then some motion will take place. Without time, motion cannot take place. So motion is the responsible to change the position of an object from one point to another point with respect to time. But in this chapter we'll be going to discuss about the force. So for something which influence object changes its position, that influence actually we can say is a force. Now let's start force. Look at the following picture and observe the various situations involving push or pull. In figure number A, you can see a man pushing a shopping cart. In figure number B, you can see a girl pulling her mother. In figure number C, a gardener pushing a lawn. And in D number figure, you can see a boy on is being pulled by a cable. So in each of the figure, you can see either pushing or pulling is taking place. In simple terms, this pushing or pulling of an object is called the force. We like playing sports in many sports. For example, football. The ball is kicked by one player and passed to another player, or the ball is received from another player and redirected to another player or to the goal. To do all these things in the motion of the ball, we require force. In figure number A, I can see a player kicking a football. In figure number B, a player changing the direction of the football. And in figure number C, a player stopping the football. So in each of the case, you can see ball kicking, ball stopping, and ball direction is changing. All example here shown, we can see that player interacts with the ball and applies a force, thus changing the motion of the ball. We can also observe the action of the force and motion it causes in our daily lives. Effects of force. What are the effects of force? By applying force, we can move an object from its state of rest, or we can increase the speed of a moving object. For example, by applying a force, we can make a stationary ball move by pushing or kicking it. We push it harder, the ball will move faster with a greater speed. So you can see this is the effect of force. By applying force, we can change the state of an object from rest to motion or motion to rest, or also we can change the speed